Good morning friends, welcome to SP News channel. Here you find the topmost breaking news updates and you can win a wonderful gift by giving a simple question answer. India enters hypersonic regime with successful flight test. The first successful test of a hypersonic technology demonstration vehicles which can be used for futuristic missile system and aircraft. After Uddhav Thackeray, NCP chief Sharad Pawar and Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh received threat calls from Dubai. Actress Riya Chakravarti has filed a police complaint against Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Priyanka Singh for fake medical prescription. BJP turns Sushant Singh into a poster for Bihar election campaign. Riya Chakravarti makes shocking revelation to the Narcotic Control Bureau, names Bollywood stars for their involvement in drugs. For first time, India sees over 90,000 COVID-19 cases in a day. Chandrayaan 3 launch likely in early 2021. Minister of State for the Department of Space Jitendra Singh said that Chandrayaan 3 will be different from Chandrayaan 2 as the former will not have an orbiter but will include a lander and a rover. Businessman Deepak Kochar and husband of ex-ICICI Bank CEO Chandra Kochar has been arrested by Enforcement Director for alleged money laundering in a deal between bank and Videocon Group. BJP worker in West Bengal died after clash with TMC, 6 arrested. Airlines to make full refund of tickets booked during lockdown period. JEE Main 2020 result is likely to be released by September 11. Taking a leaf from China's book, Pakistan Army develops Xi Jinping style indoctrination camp in Balochistan. Noor bin Laden, the niece of 9/11 terror attacks mastermind Osama bin Laden, has said that a similar attack may be around the corner if Democratic Party's Joe Biden is elected president of US. According to her, only current President Donald Trump can protect this country. Ex-Mumbai police officials sent a notice to Kangana Ranaut, apologize and pay a compensation of 50 lakh. China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi reaching Moscow to discuss total disengagement in Ladakh with Minister of External Affairs of India. Pakistan to begin reopening educational institutions next week. RJD files plea in Supreme Court to postpone Bihar Assembly election amid rising COVID-19 case. Friends, if you like this video, then kindly subscribe and give a like, cause your one like motivate me to upload another one. Central government launches toll-free 24/7 mental health helpline Kiran in 13 languages for providing psychological support to people. Heavy rains will occur in this part of country till September 10. Meteorological Department issues high alert. According to Indian Meteorological Department, heavy rain in Kerala, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam and Meghalaya. Beautician gang raped by her friends after being invited to birthday party in UP's Prayagraj. CRPF to take over Kangana Ranaut's Y+ security after war of words with Shiv Sena's Sanjay Rawat. Russia says phase 3 trials of COVID-19 vaccine Sputnik V to begin in India this month and result by November. China using Pakistan for military logistic facility. 66 special trains to service on September. Railway to run 310 passenger trains from September 12. 2 killed and 2 injured in crude bomb explosion in West Bengal at a house in Kamarhati, Golaghat area. In India, COVID-19 total active cases almost 7,82,000 and in West Bengal total active cases almost 26,000. Now it's a time for quiz question. Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? If you know its answer, then kindly comment and win a surprise gift. Thank you for watching SP News channel. Have a nice day.